Hi friends, this video shows how to open and use sound equalizer. Go to settings, go to all settings, set sound. Under sound, go to expert settings, set equalizer. So here we can adjust. So we can adjust bass and treble or low and high frequency. See, we can adjust here. Okay, so if you want to reset, you can set this reset button. Okay, so we can manually adjust. Just go back, it will automatically save. See, so this way we can open and adjust sound equalizer. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.